Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by matching physical ports because this is the only reliable method for a non-Android TV. Identify if your phone uses USB-C, Lightning, or micro USB with MHL support. That determines the adapter. Once done, plug the HDMI cable into the TV and connect the adapter to your phone. Make sure the TV is set to the matching HDMI input. This direct wired route avoids app compatibility issues and delivers stable video and audio with minimal lag. Now complete the physical chain and configure the display. Connect the HDMI cable to the TV and the adapter. If the adapter requires external power, plug in a 5V USB supply to keep the signal stable. Unlock your phone and accept any prompt to enable HDMI output or display mirroring. On many phones, mirroring starts automatically. Make sure screen rotation and brightness are adjusted once mirrored. Verify audio routes through TV speakers and confirm video resolution looks correct. Finish by testing playback and addressing common faults. Play a video on your phone to confirm picture and sound on the TV. If the screen is black, switch the TV input to the HDMI port you used. If you see no signal, power cycle the phone, unplug and reseat all connectors, and try a different HDMI port or cable. Using certified adapters prevents handshake problems. If issues persist, try a powered adapter, or check the phone's documentation for MHL or HDMI output limitations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.